Road surveyors play a crucial role in the design and construction of roads. One such renowned road surveyor is Ram Puri, known for his exceptional skills and expertise in the field. With years of experience and a deep understanding of road infrastructure, Ram Puri has established himself as one of the leading road surveyors in the industry. His dedication to ensuring accurate measurements and precise calculations has earned him a reputation for delivering high-quality results. Ram Puri's expertise extends beyond traditional road surveying techniques. He is well versed in the latest technologies and tools used in the industry. This allows him to effectively analyze and evaluate road conditions, identify potential obstacles, and propose efficient design solutions. Whether it's a new road construction project or the renovation of an existing one, Ram Puri's keen eye for detail and meticulous approach ensures that the final road design is both safe and functional. One of the key aspects of Ram Puri's work is SCON design. SCON design involves the creation of a detailed plan for the placement and installation of SCONs along the road. SCONs are vital for ensuring the safety of drivers, as they provide visibility and guidance, especially during nighttime or adverse weather conditions. Ram Puri's expertise in SCON design allows him to determine the optimal locations for SCON placement, considering factors such as traffic flow, visibility requirements, and road geometry. In addition to his technical skills, Ram Puri is also known for his exceptional project management abilities. He effectively collaborates with various stakeholders, including engineers, architects, and construction teams, to ensure that the road surveying process aligns with the overall project timeline. His strong communication skills and attention to detail make him an invaluable asset in coordinating all aspects of road design and construction. Road surveyors are essential to the planning and building of roadways. Ram Puri is one such well-known road surveyor who is well known for his remarkable abilities and knowledge in the industry. Ram Puri has made a name for himself as one of the top road surveyors in the business because to his years of experience and thorough grasp of road infrastructure. He is known for producing excellent outcomes thanks to his commitment to guaranteeing precise measurements and calculations. The knowledge of Ram Puri goes beyond conventional methods of road surveying. He is knowledgeable about the most recent tools and technology being used in the field. As a result, he is better able to assess the state of the roads, spot potential hazards, and suggest appropriate design solutions. Ram Puri's strong attention to detail and methodical approach guarantee that the final road design is both safe and practical, regardless of whether the project involves building a new road or renovating an old one. SCON design is a crucial component of Ram Puri's work. The process of SCON design includes developing a thorough plan for the positioning and installation of SCONs along the route. SCONs are essential for safeguarding the safety of drivers since they offer visibility and advice, particularly at night or inclement weather. Ram Puri's knowledge of SCON